Okay, when it comes to achieving any goal, obviously it's really important to be very consistent. The problem is it's very hard to be consistent with just about anything. So one thing that I heard yesterday that is from Atomic Habits that I thought was very insightful is the idea of making the thing that you want to do easy, attractive, and obvious, and starting small. So, for example, I really want to become a consistent YouTuber, and in order to do that, I have to consistently produce videos, but that's a hard thing to do. So I thought, how can I make this easy? And what I came up with was, what if instead of making the task, I'm gonna make a YouTube video once a week, or I'm gonna make a YouTube video every day, how about it's, I'm going to once a day commit to opening the video app and pressing record with the camera pointed at my face. Whether or not I keep the videos irrelevant, whether or not I post the videos irrelevant, but what it will do is it will give me content that I can get feedback from. I can decide if I want to iterate it, trash it, post it, and I can commit to pressing the red button once a day. That's not hard, that's easy. And it actually makes it exciting. It's like, oh, have I pressed the red button today? I haven't, let's do it. I can do that. But if it's like, oh, I need to film a whole video today, then I'm like, what do I make the video about? And then I get in my head and I don't do it. So this making the thing really easy in order to promote consistency in my life with the behavior that I want to reinforce has been really powerful, really potent, and I recommend you try it too. The classic analogy would be like, oh, if you want to go on a run, don't commit to running once a day, just commit to putting your running shoes and running shorts on once a day. You don't even have to go for a run, just put the clothes on. And then by the time you have them on, you're gonna be like, well, let's do it. You know what I mean? So you kind of trick yourself into it that way. So yeah, look, it worked. I have a new video and I'm gonna post this, and I actually like this. It was completely improvised and all I did was click that red button. So feel free to try this in your own life. I find it very helpful. And if you want further help on getting unstuck, check out this video right here that I made the other day about improvised creativity that will help you blast through any kind of content creation block, writer's block, music block, whatever. And I'll see you in this video. Peace.